Welcome everyone to my channel Space Remote Sensing and GIS, and today I am going to give you a very interesting lecture on the very recent cyclone which will going to affect, that is on this particular West Bengal. Okay, so it will going to hit within a few hours. As you seen here, I created this dashboard. It's called, the cyclone name was Remal cyclone. Okay, so how we're going to do this Remal cyclone alert and data visualization dashboard, as you seen it here, which I did it, okay, in this. So I just create an interactive dashboard so that you can zoom in and zoom out and you can see the locations, okay, how the cyclone is going to update, and what is the path of the cyclone maybe, okay, and where to go, and what are the areas may chances of the affected. All this alert I generated in this dashboard, which I make it as a public so people can access this. So now the question is how we generated this dashboard, okay, during the time of cyclone or any kind of disaster. You want to prepare a dashboard like this, how we're going to do that? Okay, so let's see this process. So before I started this dashboard generations over the cyclone, I just try to tell you that you please go back to my old video. This is already there in a YouTube, that is how to track and make the cyclone map in ArcGIS Online. Okay, because I'm going to use those maps and now I'm going to prepare this dashboard. Okay, so it's a very short time I just prepared this dashboard. So if I want, I can make it as a more interactive, more kind of analysis I can add, but as this is a very less number of time which we had in our hand, so that's why I'm just trying to show you in a short way how you can prepare this dashboard. Okay, so let's start. So if you see in this dashboard, I just already log in with my ID and password, okay, and then if you see here, I have similar kind of data sets over here. Okay, so that same cyclone update map. So two map I prepared. One is cyclone update map, another one is low pressure over the Bay of Bengal. Okay, why these two maps? I just tell you. You just see here. There's a two different view you can see over here. One is over this particular the India and the surrounding locations, and second one is we highlighted over my West Bengal. Okay, so West Bengal and surroundings. That is the reason the two maps I prepared over here. So let's open the maps and see what are the layer we used. So how prepared this map I already described here. Okay, so if you click over this cyclone update map, so let it be open. Yes, so if you see here, this is the map. If I open in a map viewer, how my maps is looking like. So here I used few of the layers, okay, like West Bengal boundary. This basically, this West Bengal boundary I taken from my desktop. It is there in my desktop, so there, from there I am taking up. And other layer, yes, the other layers I taken from the living atlas. Okay, so if I want, I can take the West Bengal boundary from your atlas, but I just want my boundary to upload, so that's why I upload it separately. But other all layers I taken from the living atlas platforms. So as you know, this is our living atlas platform. So if you go in a Google, simply open this and you can see this is the West Bengal, all the related layers you will get it over here. As you see here, I just remove this one so that you can get all the updates. See here, active cyclones. Okay, then NOAA. This is the current weather data. So this is also I used. This is the cyclone data sets which I used, and I used the updated NOAA colorized satellite image, which helped me to create this app to directly monitoring of this particular cyclone. So this is my area, and I want everyone should be alert about this cyclone which is coming in a few hours, maybe by the night it will going to hit. So if you go in IMD sites, all the updates it is giving it there. Okay, so now the question is how I'm going to prepare this. Okay, so this is the one map I prepared, and this is the another map. If you want to see, there's a two different map. Okay, almost similar types of layer only I taken for my this analysis. Okay, so if you see here, that is a low pressure of the Bay of Bengal. So this is another map which we use. These are two maps we used, and few data which is taken from the Living Atlas platforms. Okay, if you see here, this is the how maps which is going to show you over here. So let's open this map. Okay, so if you see here, this is the how the maps is coming up. Okay, so this is the another map where I use the two layer, just India boundary. Okay, and then this is the NOAA satellite image, so that we can understand the locations, how the cyclone is moving, and take enter in the zone. Okay, so now better I will just go back to the content again. Now let's see how this interactive dashboard you can prepare for your location. You may belong from anywhere in the world, but you can generate this particular dashboard which will be very useful for every country. Okay, so see here how in Esri we can do this. So if you simply go on this particular thing, okay, dots, so you will have the options here as a dashboard. Okay, so now here a lot of dashboard design options will be there. If you want to go any one of this, then you can go with. Okay, and if you search some particular shared dashboard, so that you can also check. But here I am going to create a new dashboard, suppose. Okay, so simply click on this create dashboard options. Simply give a title like cyclone date test. Okay, so this is the I'm giving here the name. So update it tags with cyclone. Okay, so this is the how you can generate the tags, and you can give the same kind of title over here. Sorry. Okay, so this is the how I am just giving this map name. Okay, so this is the map name which I just given over here for my dashboard. I can simply create a dashboard now. So see here, when you do the first time, it is asking you to add the maps. So whatever the maps you can add, so this is the way you can add, either from click from here, or you can click from here, add elements. Okay, so first time I will just click over this. Okay, and then click over the map. So from the center image it will going to start. So see here all the cyclone updated map, then low pressure map. So whatever maps I just prepared for different applications, it is going to show me. Suppose I just first map which I will going to focus over here, that is this one. So this is my cyclone updated map, so that I just going to select. That's all it will going to upload within a few seconds. Okay, so within a few seconds it will going to update the map as you seen here. Now the next thing is you can give whatever layer you want to open over this particular layer. Like I want the search button, I want the base map switch options, I want the layer visibility. If you want, you can give. Okay, so or you can go for the compass, you can go for my location, zoom in and zoom out options you are providing. Okay, so these are the few actions you can give over your layer. And if you want to see all the layers name, that also you can able to do it here. So then generally if you go, suppose you want to give a title of this cyclone map, so you can give some, simply type here cyclone update map. Okay, so you can adjust accordingly, like bold, like italic you can do, and simply click on OK and done. Okay, so once you've done it, you just see here your first image of the over the map, the dashboards. It is attached and it is given the search option. It is giving, showing you the layers whatever it is used. Even the base maps, if you want to change, you can change. The lot of base map options will be there with the compass and navigation tools, in zoom in, zoom out options, everything what I want I add with this. Okay, now next is, if I want to go for one more maps to add, so simply you can plus sign on this. Either you can take it over here, or in between it will come like this, or side it will come like this. So I will give this another map over this side, so I'm just simply click on plus sign and click in the map. So another map I will use which is showing the total India, so I will just simply click on that. Okay, so click on that, and here the map things, same thing, you can activate whatever you want. So in this case I am not activating the legends and this, only the these two things I just want. Layer visibility is also not required, that much things are enough. So in this I can give this name as a low pressure over the India India and oceans. And or sorry, you can no need to change this one. Okay, so better you can change this one. Sorry, as a title you just need to add. Okay, if you click over it, okay, so this is fine. So activate all the layers, very sorry. Okay, so now you can go to the general, click on this title, low pressure. You don't need to change the layer name. Okay, so here you just add a title, so that will going to show you over your dashboard. Okay, so I just give a name as uh, low pressure over India, over the Indian oceans, Indian and surrounding oceans. Paste it. Surroundings. Okay, so like that I can give, and see my map will be updated very soon over here. Okay, so then you can see these two maps side by side, how nicely it can show you over. One is focused over this and another one is surrounding of India and surroundings. Okay, so that is the way live update of the cyclone you can get over it. Now you can add a few more layers, just like suppose I want this particular layer which is there. I just simply go in a living atlas. Okay, and I just open this. It's called item description. So if you go in a view item descriptions, so from the embedded file link you can add this informations to your map. Just like if you go here, okay, so if you see here, I am just going to take this particular URL. Okay, and this URL you want to update over here. So this is I already created. Okay, so which I am doing, this is the place. So now you just see here, if I click over this, so where you want to place, first you show on that. So first I will going to show over this, so I will take one more over here. Now here there is one options called embedded contents, click on that. Okay, and you can give this content over here, so it will going to show you the active hurricane details and all those things you can add from this also. Okay, and see, if I want to go with a specially embedded tools or this, okay, so I can, that value also I can attach with this. So I just cancel this. Okay, so as you've seen here, see the pressure monitor, all these things which we can add it from this particular file over here also, which I already updated in this. Okay, so here a lot of options will be there. Okay, so like simply I can add over here. Okay, so suppose I want a series chart or pie chart. Okay, so whatever you want to see. Okay, like here for this particular thing, like indicator you can use. Okay, like here I want to show active hurricanes is there. Okay, and other layers if you want to show, See, NOAA 2 layers will be there. I can select the stations. So see here, I can adjust the stations accordingly. I can filter out. Okay, so here you can filter whatever the station. Suppose I want to show only the wind speed. Okay, so I can go for the wind speed. Okay, so you can give a particular range if in between. Suppose I just try to follow the speeds like 30 to 120, suppose 90 I want the speeds should be maintained. So it is the range between I just came. So maximum we have to not equal to or equal to, so it is in between, it is which I actually mentioned. So we have to change this all, like average we can do. Okay, so you have to update accordingly. So just to showing you on this. Okay, like we can use wind. Okay, so this is the wind speed, how you can update like that. Okay, so this is the way. Even the background and all, like you can change from here. Okay, so you can change the general color setting. Okay, so if you go here, okay, so if you see here, okay, so you can change the color patterns. Okay, from this. Okay, suppose it is white is there, so you can make it black, or if you just go on this, so you want to make it as a red color, suppose. Okay, sorry, I will just make it. So take this one. Okay, take this tool and just make it over here. So you just see here it is coming as a red color. Okay, if you want to give a heading, okay, so click on the title and this wind speed. Okay, so like that you can mention the speed, and then simply click on done, and you see that is a way how you can add this particular wind speed type of things. So you, if you want to give, and it will be live update whenever it will be, so it will be live update. Okay, so this is the process actually how you are actually generating this type of dashboard. I hope I just give you the idea, because many things you can do it here as I show you, like temperature. So this is a weather station data which we are actually using here. Okay, so see lot of data sets over there. Okay, so if you want to add with this to this side, and you want to go for some series chart maps. Okay, so you see here lot of data sets will be there in hurricanes. Okay, so there's two NOAA layers, you go in a stations, and then again you want to short outs. Okay, so you can short outs accordingly which filter you want to apply. Okay, so which one you want to show. So all these things you can able to control from here. Okay, like pressure, if you want to show, so what should be the minimum pressure and maximum pressure, you can give that accordingly. Okay, and the same way you can generate this. So see here, from the weather station data, like is coming from the source from the NOAA, so this much informations will be there, which is very useful for a different kind of weather studies. Okay, and you are getting, these are live data sets. Okay, so that's the advantage you will get. You can generate your interactive dashboards. Okay, and it will be very useful for you. So once you've done everything, okay, you can simply save this. I am not going to save this one because I already created this one. I just go for this one. Okay, so this is for your understanding how you make your dashboards more interactive, more beautiful. And once you're done with this, it will come to your content, you make it as a share, and giving the share permissions to public so that people can see it. Same thing we can generate using the experience builder. I think experience builder will be the much more better options. Okay, so if possible in coming uh, time, okay, next time I will may show you with the same kind of interactive dashboard how we can prepare in experience builder. Okay, so we will going to discuss on it. So this lecture will be little big. Okay, so I will just sorry for that, but the people from my region, okay, so be alert, because this, as you seen, the situation is not good here. Okay, so the cyclone may be attack by today night. Okay, so may situation will going to bad, like same like Amphan or nearby on that. It depends, let's see how the cyclone is come moving forward, and how it will going to affect. So once it will done, definitely I will come with a new video which maybe show you with the SAR data, because disaster SAR is a very good options. So using the SAR data, how we'll do the damage assessment, okay, after the cyclone. So that also we're going to show. So this is a before cyclone, what the monitoring, how can we do the monitoring, how can do the analysis, and after cyclone the damage assessment also we can do, okay, what the logging and all those damage property assessment, so we can do with the SAR data. So that will come with the next kind of lecture. So let's see. I am praying that we should not go with the much distractions due to this cyclone. Thank you all, thank you very much. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, okay, and share this video to all, so people around the world who is very much interested to monitoring the cyclones. Thank you.